What's up, everybody? This is Jay, and welcome to another product review. This time, I'm going to review the microphone that I use to make all of my YouTube videos. Now, this right here is the Yeti, the Blue Yeti microphone, okay? This microphone is perfect for streaming. I picked this microphone up at Best Buy. I will put the link in the description box below, and you will be able to get a deal with that link. Okay, now with this microphone, so a lot of people don't know what's the difference. Some microphones are only unidirectional, some omnidirectional, some are not in stereo, some are. Well, with this, it's perfect because it has all of that stuff. It can be in stereo, okay? You can use it for stereo where you can record from both sides of the microphone. You can also use it as a cardioid microphone, which means that it's really pointing in front of you and catching everything in the front and the sides and not so much in the back. You can also use it omnidirectional, which means that it's going to record everything in the 360-degree radius, which would be perfect for like conference calls and things of that nature. And then also bi-directional. So if you got two people sitting at a table and you don't want stuff on the sides, you just want stuff from the front and back, it's able to do that perfectly. This is a very good microphone, especially for its price point. These normally run anywhere from $125 to $200, depending on which one you get. This one also came with a couple extra little bundle features in here. And so let's check it on out. I got it already taken out right here. One thing about this microphone, I did buy a cover for it because without the cover, you can't get what's called plosives. So when you're saying things with a P or a pop, you don't want to necessarily have that pick up on your microphone. Now, the good thing about this microphone also is that it comes with a stand that is also adjustable. You can just tighten these levers right here on the side, and you can adjust it whichever way you like. Or if you have another stand that you want to use, you can detach it and then attach it to that stand, vertical stand that you already are using. Now, this also has features on the microphone, such as a pause button right here, a mute. So if you're speaking and you want to mute, you can do a quick mute directly on the microphone. You can also turn up the volume, and that is for the headphone feature where you could plug in your own headphones right here. And also is a space right here where you can use it to mount onto another stand if that's what you choose, whether it's a vertical stand or, you know, whatever stand you choose to use. This also has other features on the back as well. On the back of this one, it has the directions that you want to choose and also the gain. So you could choose extra features built in, quick, easy to use. You don't have to go through a bunch of menus and go through settings if you want to change the pattern or the gain or any of that stuff, as well as mute your microphone. You can mute it on the microphone. And if you want to use headphones while you're using this microphone, you can adjust the volume, all of that directly on your microphone, which is some very good features to have, especially as a beginner. Now, is this the most advanced microphone? Of course not. There's some microphones that range up to $1,000. But is this the perfect microphone for you? I probably would say yeah, because if you're watching this video, you probably are a new YouTuber, a new streamer, and you're trying to find something that brings your voice and has good quality. And this is probably perfect for you because you're not ready and at the level to spend $1,000 for a microphone. and what you're doing, this will be perfect for. You're not singing opera, or you're not singing, trying to rap or anything where you're trying to make the most crisp, clear voice, product. Now, this is very crisp and clear, don't get me wrong, but certain microphones, it is levels to this. Let's just say that. So, with that being said, this is a very good microphone for what you're looking for. I would rate it a 5-star microphone. Like I say, I've been using it for a while. It has been excellent. It's very good construction. The stand, I use the stand. I like the stand. It's got a heavy base to it. This is steel. This is steel construction. And the frame is steel. This is not a plastic cheap microphone. Yeti is probably the #1 brand for the level of streaming and people that are at home trying to make their, YouTube videos or podcasts. And they are doing a great job. This Blue Yeti streamer should have everything that you need. Fully adjustable. You can plug it right into your computer. It comes with a USB cord. So once you plug this in, it goes directly into your computer via USB. Simple, easy, plug and play. I use a MacBook Pro, and as soon as I plugged it in, boom, it picked up immediately. I didn't have to install any drivers. I didn't have to install a disc or any of that stuff. Simple, easy to use, quick, and your voice comes out perfect. So definitely check it out if this is what you're looking for, a new microphone to be heard crisp and clear. Instead of using a cell phone to do all your videos, or just talking and don't know exactly that you're making a mistake because you're not using the proper equipment, and you wonder why maybe people don't watch your videos through its entirety. Every little bit helps. Sometimes people don't realize that they're not watching it for those reasons. They just, turn away because it doesn't sound as interesting, and people interest wane. So the higher quality production value, then the longer you could keep a person's interest. And you definitely want to get your watch time up as much as possible, as well as views and subscribers. This is one piece of the puzzle. You definitely need a good camera and a good computer. But with this, you're on your way. I'm Jay. I definitely recommend this Blue Yeti. I got the link in the description box below. Go ahead and check out my podcast. Subscribe to my website at JAYMOOREREVIEWS.com. And if you got a cool product or something that you want me to review, hit me up on Instagram at J_more_reviews. And we can make it happen. Peace.